Hello friends, how are you doing? And in this tutorial, I will show you how you can factory data reset or delete or wipe all data from your Realme Narzo 50i. So before the starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon. Let's start the video without wasting any time. To factory data reset your Realme Narzo 50i, simply first of all you just need to tap on settings. So first of all just go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.